It's a just like home. It's a microwave.
Open it just right now. I'm excited. I just heart. Mommy, look what I want you to make.
I know.
I want to make that first.
You want to make it first?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is a microwave.
Wait, you can like all of these ones too.
You want to collect all of this stuff too?
Yeah, but I want them all to be pink. I love pink.
You want them all to be pink? Did you see?
Yes, I do.
Did you see pink over there or no?
I'm looking to tell what.
What? Oh, we need something.
Scissors. There's some tape right here too. You got to touch this sauce.
Where? That one? Do we have?
I'll just a scissors for you, Mama.
You gotta get the safety scissors.
We don't even have safety scissors.
We don't.
I already see the scissors.
I think it's in the kitchen. In the drawer. Hi, baby. Look, Eva. I got it already. Hi.
So
Open it and then
it
show.
came with some tubes and some things I like. I like a hot dog and an egg. My nutty chocolate, so I don't like that. And pizza. Now that's it.
Do you like all of those?
I like all of them. They're so delicious.
Ooh.
Yay! That's
Ah, it's already cooking. Wait.
It's hot. It's hot, Mommy.
It's hot. What's in there?
I had no idea. It's done.
It's done? It's cooking some chicken in there.
Mommy, what you want to eat?
I want to eat scrambled egg.
Okay, but be tested. It's gonna be hot. Mommy,
Okay.
look, I cannot get the chicken out.
You can get the chicken out.
And look, it has plastic.
It has a plastic in it. Oh my.
Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome.
Okay, I got it, sis.
Yeah, take out the tube. Okay.
So what is that? Fried chicken?
So they make it pretty hot. Mommy, I'm just gonna put this in there because I don't touch this. This is hot. Okay.
Okay.
So.
We need to close it. Who likes fried chicken, brother?
That's it.
Is that good enough?
To press this, I press some B button,
Uh-huh.
and then I work, and then I have to press this. Start.
Yeah. This is...
Where's Mommy?
What, baby?
Where's bread?
It gives you a hint and tells
Which one? There's no bread in there.
Oh, because bread reading has to be turned.
Oh yeah, you don't need to microwave that one. What about this one? You don't need to microwave that one?
You need to microwave it after you make all the things together. See?
Do you know how to make one?
And there's the bun. Hold on.
that one on your head.
Alright.
Let me see the cheeseburger. Don't have to warm it.
It's just, it's hard to say. But
Is it working now?
into its structural maneuver.
Oh, and what else do you have?
No, Mike!
No.
Go there. Doesn't make a run.
What else do you have, sis?
I want to see it. I want to hear it.
Oh, the hot dogs, you see? And here is the hot dog in a bun. And this is the pizza.
So the pizza, there it is.
Yeah.
So, we open
And the egg. What is that? A sunny side up
That's
egg.
the egg. Here's the egg.
That's the egg.
So now I'll put pizza in here. And I'll cook it. Because I'm getting hungry. I love pizza.
Oh,
Can
you
you
do
make-
love
but-
pizza. Where is the pizza button?
It's right here.
Oh, there it is. Is it working?
Java, Mommy, please make this for me because I need to warm it.
Your hamburger? Okay. What do we gonna do first in the hamburger? This one, the meat,
It's done.
and the cheese. Oh, it's done. The meat, the cheese, the tomato, pickles. Ah! And the bun. Here it is, Eva. It is ready.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, now I'm gonna make your egg. Put it there. Can we test this? Okay, Mommy. Be very test with your egg because it's really hot.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I guess that's enough. You don't want it to explode.
Stop it.
All right. Are we ready to eat, Eva?
No, I still have to make some things for the party.
You're still gonna make things for the party?
Yeah, so we're done at the party today, but be test so it's very, very hot. So now we're gonna make some chicken and it's gonna be hot.
Let's look at this. That's a pretty bad looking Jenga, man. It should not look that. We need to like.
Okay. Are we good now?
Over a little bit more. There we go.
So this way it's chicken, so just then press start.
There we go. Chunky. Alright, let's try
I didn't notice it was a tornado.
this one. Oh, push, push.
No, don't even think about it.
It says 21. So. Wow, it's so heavy. I can't even get
Hot,
it.
hot, 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 hot.
Hot? Is it hot?
Hey, Mommy.
All right.
So now
This is our
so I'm gonna make this cheeseburger. Mommy, I'm gonna make this
You're gonna make a cheeseburger.
Okay, Rose. Okay. Alright, Rose has to go. She has a little like doctor's appointment.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We're ready to eat. Are we ready to eat?
For watching. I hope you guys enjoy with the tower.
Minnie Me Butterfly, you ready? Ooh, it's gonna melt your cheese.
I want it to be like that.
Huh?
I want to melt the cheese.
You do?
It's all melted now.
Okay, well,
Very tasty because it's hot.
thanks for watching.
Say what's up, mommy.
Bye-bye.
Take